Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick sound test of the Nest Audio versus the Bose Soundlink Mini. Now I know this is not a fair comparison because Google doesn't make speakers, well Bose does. The point of view that I'm coming from is that if you already have a Google Nest Mini, which is going to do all your smart home tasks, you shouldn't really put the money towards upgrading to a Google Nest Audio. If you're going to spend that money for a better sound experience, you're just going to want to spend it on an actual speaker, because otherwise, you're getting a smart home hub first, that's a speaker second, and there's some better quality out there that you can get for that money. To be fair, the Bose Soundlink Mini does cost an extra $50, $150 versus $100 right here, but trust me, the sound quality and the fact that this is portable is much more worth it. Again, that is if you already have a smart home hub like the Nest Mini that I have, which means that you don't quite need a bigger speaker that can also do your smart home things. I do have a full review and unboxing of the Nest Audio if you're interested in that. I'll link that below. So, without further ado, let's take a look at how these two sound. We'll go into volume, and then we'll go into highs, and we'll go into lows, and just see which beats out the other.
I could be your private island on a different planet. Anything could happen. I could be your private island on a different planet. Anything could happen. Listen to the waves, let them wash away your pain. Listen to the waves, let them wash away your pain.
Yeah. Weezy, back home smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign shit running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, this shit is lethal, dog. Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Yeah. Weezy, back home smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign shit running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, this shit is lethal, dog. Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't just say it down, you gotta show me what you gotta do.
So I hope you were able to tell a difference between the two of these. This guy over here will definitely get pretty loud, almost too loud for the apartment that I live in. This guy doesn't get quite as loud, but at least personally, it feels like the highs and the lows are much more defined. You know, that can obviously just be a personal preference, but in my opinion, the lows on this tend to bottom out a little bit sooner. So if you're getting that bass drop, if you're getting that boom, it kind of plateaus before it gets down there. This guy, you're gonna get a little bit more of a boom, and I've always been surprised by the quality whenever I play a song with some really high notes, some hi-hats. It sounds good. Overall, both great speakers. This guy though, definitely a smart home first, and this guy is gonna be something to carry around with you and have great speaker quality wherever you are. So up to you what you're looking for, and you know, you might have liked how one sounded better over the other, so let me know what you thought. If you're interested, I did record this video with the Rode microphone, VideoMicro microphone. I just attached it straight to my camera and didn't use the windsock that came with it, but hey, if you're interested in seeing a review of this microphone itself, I'll come out with one soon. Just let me know if you want one. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two about each of these speakers. Hope I was able to help you make a decision maybe on which one to get. But anyways, drop a like if it was helpful, and really hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, almost forgot. Huge shout out to Matthias Anderson for being my first non-friend subscriber. So that's awesome, made my whole week, and hope to see you around.